Well, 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 look who's back on the ranch. If it ain't old Sam, Crypto Slangin' Elliott, here to bring you your best Bitcoin news that's ever hit the market. We're sitting here today at $1.195 trillion. Bitcoin cresting near the all-time high. Ooh, makes you want to have a cigarette. Ooh, if you know what I mean. We got Ethereum at 3,354. We got BNB at 412. Solana, that kicked me to start me back up coin at $111. And we got the Ethereum killer, the Solana slaughterer, Cardano. Hit the like button if you love it, and Steak with Nerd coming in at 64 cents a pop. Now, folks, I think it makes a whole lot of sense to talk about what's going on here. What I'm seeing here is what I call old school market manipulation, something that old J.P. Morgan himself would put a little twinkle in his eye and a smile on his face, if you know what I'm saying. Gotta clear my throat. Get me a lozenger. So what do we have here? We have an all-time high on Cardano, peaking out at around $2.86. Now, we all know if we've been in Cardano longer than a day and we're not a noob, that we really peaked out around $3.20, $3.25, depending on what exchange you're trading on. Speaking of exchanges you should be aware of, take a look at Sunday Swap. Take a look at Sunday Labs. Highly undervalued coin, sitting at like a $7 or an $8 million market cap. Do you know what a micro cap gem is? Do you? That's a $9.6 million market cap. That's nothing. Anyway, back to the point. Cardano. Could it break its old all-time high? All-time high back in 2018 was a buck. It did a 3 times that. Okay? That's about 3 times. That's $3 from $1. Now, let's just say it only does half of that this next time. Okay? And we go, well, what is 3 times 1.5? That puts you at about a $4.50 Cardano. Now, what you need to understand if you are a crypto noob, or you've got them paper hands, you've got them lettuce hands, you got them hands that can't hold real diamonds, trillion-dollar diamonds, what you need to understand is that once the big money, once the smart money comes in here and pumps up Bitcoin, now, full transparency, we got the halving coming up. The halving. Nobody knows really what it's called. Bitcoin halving coming up. And what we have right here, where are we? When's the Bitcoin? J.P. Morgan says Bitcoin halving and Ethereum upgrade are largely price-driven. What does it say? I do a lot of different Southern accents. I actually met this guy. Ooh, ye old Michael Saylor. Ooh, prospector. Okay, so Bitcoin halving countdown, 51 days. Now, if you're new to the game, you know that there's usually a pre-pump and then a nothing burger following the halving. So basically, they're driving up the price based upon that news anticipation of nothing. Dropping gems here for the newbies. Don't get too excited. Alexa, shut up! Thank you. Now, if you see right here, 80. Extreme greed. That's what's kind of pumping in because people see the price up. Everybody I've ever met in crypto who starts out in crypto, they chase the green. You don't chase the green, you buy the red. You make the money on the buy, not on the sell, okay? You just need it to go up to sell it, but you need to buy it at a good enough price to which you can sell it at a great price and a great profit, okay? You buy into the fear and you sell the greed. So don't be surprised if someone goes selling the greed. Now, typically what happens is the greed will sell, and you'll see a day or two go by, maybe 12 hours. We don't know. And then you'll see it pump into the alts, right? Now, look, Cardano could go to $10. Cardano could go to $15. It is a massive network with a community like no other, okay? And here's a little news on the old ADA Cardano. Coming in at 4.6 million new wallets. Cardano DeFi is starting to flourish. Okay? Oh, Cardano doesn't have DeFi. Well, if you go to DeFi Llama, slowly but surely, the tortoise and the hare, shake your derriere like you just don't care. 85. No, that's not Cardano. Come on. We've made strides. We've been climbing the charts. Where is it? Hold on. If we go to Cardano, boop, boop. So right now we're sitting at, we're sitting at what? 400 million TVL, okay? 400 million TVL. Now, if you did that in terms of ADA, you're sitting at, what is that? 675 million ADA? Well, at the all-time high of $3, we're talking about a $2 billion TVL. Riddle me that, ghost chain talking jive turkeys. You're talking a $5 Cardano? I don't know. Are we talking about 5 times 6? Hello. 5 times 655 million ADA. Do the math on that. So, countdown. Could be a nothing burger. If you want to see more videos from Steak with Nerd, from the OG Wallace Inc., only the OGs know, come Steak with Nerd 2. Show me your support. Show me you want more videos. Come Steak with Nerd. Show me the support. Show me the videos. Show me the videos. Comment that down below. But look, this is the sleeper creeper gem. Sunday Swizzop. I'm telling you, mark my words. Not financial advice. Nothing you do on this channel should motivate you to do anything financially without consulting with a professional financial advisor. I'm just a random head talking on the internet. We've just crossed Husky token. Okay? We are climbing the charts. Yes, we've dropped down because people bought into the fear and they sold and they're going, we're going to go with MinSwap, the copy and paste coin. No. Look, if you look at SundaySwap's following, if you look at the upgrades they've made, if you look at version 3 that SundaySwap has, it's a no-brainer. Do you realize, look, $9.6 million is a super micro cap. I was buying it at $5 million, okay? Check this out. If you look at, let's just say, like a couple DeFi things. So let's just say MinSwap does become the Uniswap, okay, of Cardano. And we look at the data, because it's all about data. Michael Saylor knows it's about data, but do you? Look at the market capitalization. Even if it went to like the low, that's 969 million. That's $1 billion. Let's say MinSwap got $1 billion, okay? So let's say SundaySwap did half of that. They did 500 million. That's a 50x. That means if you put $5,000 in it times 50, okay, that's $250,000. You just got yourself a Lamborghini. Not a good one. You're not getting an Aventador, but you could get maybe an old Diablo, a Huracan, maybe an 08, okay? But, you look at things like 1inch. They weren't the number one swap on Ethereum. 1inch. I'm going to start a swap called 9inch. Steak with Nerd, if you like that idea and you want to invest. We might be doing an air swap, token swap. Coming all to the nerd stakers. We might be. Look at their all-time high market capitalization. Take this. Riddle me this. Look at this. Okay. 285, that's their low, okay? But they peaked out at $1.25 billion. $1.25 billion. So if Sunday did a half of that or a quarter of that would be a 25x. Half of that would be a 50x. If Sunday got to $1 billion, which I believe the tech is there, it's going to melt faces. Hello. Sit and watch me go to the moon. Y'all can tell me you knew me once. And Scott told us, we didn't listen. He told us, we didn't listen. Once again, I've been calling this. I predicted all this stuff that's happening here, by the way. Comment down below if I didn't predict it, okay? Comment down here if my stake pools, Nerd and Nerd 2, haven't paid out millions and millions of dollars. And comment down below if they have, because you know that they have, okay? Because I speak to Trizoof. Anyway, $1.25 billion, that would be 125x from here on out if you own a little SundaySwap. That means you put $1 in, you get $125. You put $10 in, you get $1,200, $50. You put $100 in, you're getting $12,500. Riddle me that. You get half of that, you get $6,000. You get half of that, you get $3,000. 30x of $100, you made $3,000. You could go buy yourself a 1991 Camry, Toyota Corolla. Anyway, folks, this has been fun. If you want me to keep making videos, I am inspired. Bitcoin over $1 trillion. We are Dr. Evil, level 7. Bitcoin about to break 61,000. What does this mean? Is Bitcoin going up? Is it going down? Let me know in the comments below. Stick with Nerd. Otherwise, you're impotent. Have a nice day. If I don't see you, I will see you on the internet.